Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will learn to create a web page using HTML. This video is for the beginners who don't have any knowledge of web designing. So this is the history of web designing. You can read this from the notes. I will give the link in the description. So this is developed by the Tim Berners-Lee in 1990s. So HTML is the hypertext markup language, which is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. We can assist HTML with CSS and JavaScript. We will learn all these in next videos. So let's talk about first program of HTML. So you can see this is the first program of HTML. So let's go to Notepad and create a file with .html extension. Let's say hello world.html. So let's start our first program of HTML. So first we use HTML tag. HTML consists of tags. So this is the first tag is opening HTML tag and other one is the closing HTML tag. This one tell the browser that this is the HTML document. All the coding or programming whatever we do in HTML that will be inside these tags. So a HTML document contains a head portion and a body portion. So for head we will use head tag and for body we will use the body tag. So this is the opening tag and this one is the closing tag with the backslash. So in whole HTML you will see these tags. There are some tags which don't have any closing tag. They are known as the empty tags. So in head section in head tag we will initialize the title of our document. So let's say my name is the title of this document. In body we can type a simple message that my name is Godgan. Let's go to the browser and enter the path of this file and open. So you will see this is the body of the document and see on the top you can see my name as the title of this tab. This one is the body and this one is the title. So now come back to the notes. These are the basic HTML tags. As I already told you, HTML consists of tags only. This one is the doctype tag which defines the type of the document. For example, if we add this tag in our document, so this will tell the browser that this HTML is the version 5 of HTML. So here it is. Now another tag is HTML which defines the HTML document as I have already told you. Next one is head which contains the metadata information for the document like title, language, etc. Next one is title tag which defines the title of the document. As we gave the title as my name, you can see this one is the body and my name is the title. So next tag is h1 to h6 which defines the headings of HTML. See, this is a plain text which we have written in the body. So what if we want to give a heading in our document in our HTML page? So we will use h1 tag. See, now refresh the page. See, the text become highlighted and bold, and the size is also increased. See, I have written hello world outside of h1. Now you can see hello world is in very simple format because it is outside of the h1, our heading tag. So there are 6 headings in HTML. Let me open this document in the Notepad plus plus. So personally I use Notepad plus plus for coding. You can see this one is h1 heading, this one is h2, h3, h4, h5. You can see the headings and use accordingly as per your requirement. h1 is the biggest heading, h2 is smaller than, and h3 is smaller than h2, and h4 is smaller than h3. Similarly, h5 and h6 are smaller than h4. You can use these headings as per your requirement. You can create a big heading, small heading, or a very small heading as per your requirement in document. So let's go to next tag, which one is P, paragraph tag. So if you want to write a paragraph in your web page, you can use this paragraph tag. Refresh this. So here it is, paragraph. Let me add some more text. Save, refresh. So you can see this is how you can write a long paragraph, a small paragraph as per your requirement. Next one is BR, break tag. If you want to enter, enter the text in next line. So see, in Notepad we can give a enter, but in web browser it won't reflect. But if we add a break tag, so after hypertext there will be a new line, and after markup there will be a new line, means line break. Refresh. See, after hypertext, markup is in next line and language is in next line. Break tag is a empty tag, no need to close it. If you enter a opening break tag or a closing break tag, so these both are same. You can use with backslash or without backslash. Next one is HR, horizontal line or thematic change in the content. If you want to create a horizontal line, horizontal row in your HTML page, you can use it. Let me remove some data. See, let me replace BR with HR. HR means horizontal row. Save this, go to browser and refresh. You can see there is a horizontal row, horizontal line after hypertext, after markup. So you can use this as well if you want to end a paragraph or divide a page in 2 parts or 3 parts. You can. Our next tag is comment tag. So if I type something outside the body tag, like code gun outside the body tag, this shouldn't be shown in our web page because this is outside of body, but still it is showing. So for this we use the comment tag. For example, if we want to add some text or some instruction for a programmer or someone, then we can use the comment tags. These comments will not shown in the web browser. These are only visible in our source code. So see, this is how we can add comments, body, ends. So this will not shown in our web browser. Save this and go to browser, body begins, headings, and body ends. Refresh this. See, those tags are not visible here. But if I remove this tag and refresh the web page, so you can see body begins is visible in the web page. So this is how we can use the comments in our source code. So let's go to lists. So lists are the order list and unordered list like we use in our MS Office products in MS Word, MS PowerPoint. Similarly, we can create an list in our HTML as well. So for unordered list, we use UL tag, beginning of UL tag, and this is one is the closing of tag. So for each list tag, we use a li, means list item, means the items which are contained by this list. Unordered list is the list which is in not in order, that use bullets, stars, symbols for showing the list items. On other hand, ordered list is the list which is in ascending order, descending order. See, you can see this is using the circle for showing the list item, for differentiating the list items. If we create a order list which is OL and closing of OL, save this and refresh, you can see 1 2 3 4. So this one is the order list, means this is in numerical order, ascending order, descending order, or alphabetically order. So there are some other tags for list, we will discuss these in another video. I am showing you the basic tag only. Next one is table tag. So for table, our important tags are table tag and tr for table row and td is for table cell. So let's create a table by using table tag and close this tag. So in this table, we will create a row, and in that row, we will create a table data, means cells. So row start and row ends. Now in this row, we have to create table data or table cells. So this table contains only one row and one cell. Let me add some more cell. Let me close the first cell and then add some more cells. So the number of TD tags are equals to the number of cells in that table, in that row. Let me create some more rows. The data or the item input getting the input from the user as a text. Input type is the text, means text box. By default, if we don't give any type, then by default it will be a text box always. Refresh the page and see, you can see your name is our h2 heading, and the box text box is a text box for in user, in which they can enter their name. I have added some break lines. Refresh, yeah. So you can like give this, enter your name, code gun. So this is how we can use the form tag for getting the input from the user. So thanks so much guys for watching this video. We will discuss some another tags in next video. Hope after watching this video you have understand the concept of HTML and comment your doubts and queries. We will happy to help you.